Good day, fellow yummies, and welcome to another super yummy and easy to do video of cooking for the kids. So today, I have a very, very nice surprise for all the viewers. You know what it is?
Sushi.
Sushi. It's our favorite cuisine, Japanese. And the good part about this recipe, about this video, is we're not just doing the normal sushi that you could see outside, but we're making sushi bowls. And what are sushi bowls? It's like arancini bowls, you know, those Italian bowls that are deep fried, but this is the healthier version.
The orange one.
The orange one with breadcrumbs, but that's the arancini bowls. But they use arborio rice. The one that kids, arborio rice is the one that's being cooked for risotto. So if you don't have a sushi mat, no problems, no worries. You don't have to have a headache looking for one of it. We measured 3 cups for this one. So you have to clean it at least 5 times. And then you have to let it soak for a good 30 minutes.
Why do we soak the rice?
Alright, there's the question. So the reason why we soak the rice is for the rice to kind of expand, because it absorbs moisture, so to speak, before you cook it. So by the time you cook it, when it's finished, it's going to be fluffy. And we all want fluffy rice for sushi. Okay? Sama, are you ready? Yes, yes, I'm ready. But before that, I need to show you how to do the sushi vinegar. So we have 1/4 cup of the sushi vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar. There we go. Then just a tidbit of salt. Here you go. So guys, we're back and the rice is already cooked. Sushi vinegar, and it's ready as well. What's the first one, Sama? The chicken teriyaki. It's going with sesame seeds. Alright, that's the first sushi bowl. Second one, we have I'm going with cucumber. It's for vegetarians. Alright, and lastly, what's the last one? We have tuna and seaweed. So those are the combinations that we're doing. But of course, feel free to mix it up however you like at home. Just in case you're wondering, what's this one doing here? This is veggie oil, because we need that when we roll the rice. If you're wondering why we have 3 bowls, we're going to separate the rice once we mix the sushi vinegar. So I'll mix it up, yes. Then what I'm gonna do is just mix it up. So now that I properly mixed, so what are we going to do? Bowl number 2, I'm just going to split it up. Yeah. Can you start rolling the balls? So kids, before you roll the bowl, so maybe this is the kind of amount that you put in your hand, right? This much. Can you follow? Let me get a plate for you as well. One moment, guys. Here you go. That's your plate. Yeah. That's a cute one. That's really good. Good job. Then my turn. So kids, you get around that much and then you gently roll it like on your palms. Yeah, on here. Just roll it. And there you go. You have your sushi balls. Want me to show you how to do it, Sama?
Yes.
Alrighty. I'll have to change my gloves because it touched chicken. Put it here.
Are you winning?
Where's yours?
I can't remember. big one. Your hand is too big and I can't.
My hand's too big. Oh no. There you go. Good job. Yeah, your plate is over there. Can you put it over there? Now I'm winning. Now I'm on the lead.
Ow.
All right. And we are back for the most important segment of the show, which is
Tasting.
food tasting. So for today, Summer, as per Summer's request, she wants to swap. Okay, so we're going to swap. There you go. I think she wants to swap because it's bigger, but it's alright.
No.
Yeah.
I just want to try each other.
Alright, now that we've swapped, I'm going to taste Summer's tuna sushi bowl. And how about you?
I'm gonna taste your teriyaki.
Well, of course, the teriyaki chicken. But before we taste, parents, kids, this is a very, very easy recipe to do. And, well, it's good for your kids' snacks, for lunch as well. And for you, parents and kids, to do together. And definitely you'll have fun. All right, like we did. Okay? So now it's testing time.
Testing.
Yeah. So you go ahead, ladies first. Yeah.
You go now.
You could also dip it with soy sauce or the Japanese mayo if you want it. But this one is good enough already. Yeah. Really yummy. Really fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Anything with teriyaki, she likes it. Please hit the like and subscribe to us on YouTube. Alright, that's it. Thank you. Until the next time, guys. Have a good one. Bye.